channel. I am Debbie from the Crafty Diamond. Today I'm going to do an unboxing that has actually already been unboxed, so I guess this could be called After the Box. I went ahead, I recorded earlier today for an unboxing. I did not like the way that it looked even after editing, so I just deleted it and decided to start all over. So I thought, well, I'll just do it after the box instead of having to put everything back in here and try to strategically place all the diamonds and everything in the box, which I'm not the best about. But let's go ahead and look at this kit. I am really excited for this. This is a Mandy Manzano kit from Diamond Art Club. It's called the Water Fairy. This was actually a release from last Saturday, and I was really excited when I saw it. Could not wait, had to go ahead and get it as soon as I was able to on Saturday morning. And it just came in late yesterday, so I just could not wait to unbox this one. This is a typical Mandy Manzano, if you have done any of her paintings or seen any of hers, where there's quite a bit of outlines throughout, which is used 310s. And there's several bags of those. This is a really pretty painting. It has different colors, a lot of teals and blues. So I know I'm going to enjoy that over the one that I will be working on. That's going to be a lot of dark colors. But with this one, it is a 20 by 33 inch or a 51 centimeter by 84 centimeters. And with Diamond Art Club, you know that you're getting really good quality. This is a round. You can tell that it's a round because there is a round, a circle in the front. It also says round, and it's pink. And if you can see here, there is the Water Fairy. I'm trying to see if that will come into focus a little better. So I think she's going to be really pretty, and there's a lot of color blocking to this, which will be nice. If you're not familiar with terms of diamond art paintings, color blocking is where you have the same color in a wide area, and this one definitely is that, where you can use the same drills for several areas. Even with the one that I'm working on now, as opposed to color blocking, it is confetti heavy. And with confetti heavy, that is where you have several different colors and several different symbols in one area. Right now, the one that I'm working on has over 15 colors. It's in one small little square. So this will definitely be a nice change. And as soon as I finish my next one that I'll start on in March, then I will start on this one, because I'm not going to have this very long in my stash. I want to get this one done and see what it looks like. And there are 51 colors, and there's actually 4 ABs to this, which that's going to be really pretty. AB is Aurora Borealis, and this is where it is just a little shinier than your typical drills. And as I mentioned, this one is a round, so it will be faster to complete than a square, which squares tend to take me a little bit longer. With this one also came with the new toolkit. You can see the package here. And with the new toolkit, not all of the canvases will come with the new toolkit yet. They are going through the old ones, and so you may get a new toolkit or you may get a current one, an older one, and that's fine because both are really good. What comes in the new toolkit, you have a pen. This one happens to be orange. You have a squishy that actually matches the pen. They gave you some really pretty washi. And then you have wax that's shaped like a heart. And also have, if you can see that very well, but it has a heart. It is a actual cover minder. And then you have a boat that has little gold flecks in it, along with multi-placers, and then some extra baggies. Also contains, I want you to be able to see this as well, contains a small sticker, and I use this to put on my logbook, and then a larger sticker, and the larger sticker will actually have all the symbols, and the symbols are on sticker paper. So if you kit up like I do, you are able to put those on your containers. So that makes it really nice as well. But I really like the fact that they're giving us cover minders now. That's going to be a lot of fun. So I want to show you how clear that these symbols are. May not even need a light pad on this one, and it's really good and sticky. So that is a good thing. I want to show you the drills. They are really pretty as well. Here are the drill colors. We have 948, 3817, 141. That's one of the ABs. I actually have 2 bags of ABs of the 141. 754. That's a really pretty kind of tangerine. 2 754s. A 758. 3768. 2 bags of 3768. And here comes the 310s. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 310s, then an 823, 2 bags of 939, 1 bag of 924, and a bag of 3816. That is just the first little train here. Let's get to the other one. These are smaller bags. We have 605, 3706, 3705, 436, 435, 104, 3847, 3814, 3848, 434, 3843, and it looks like there's a spillover of 434 and 3843, a couple of those. 445, very bright yellow. 992, 598, 120, 433, 934, 3760, 644, and 928. I have one more here. These are a little bit bigger. 3844, 356, 5200, 996, 938, 775, 3766, 927, 807, 597, 137. That is a gorgeous AB. I don't know if you can see that or not. 803, 993, 3811, 336, 3778, 3808, 3810, 3371, and 3809. Sorry for all the crinkling. We as diamond painters really use a lot of different types of plastic, especially when we have the opaque covers, and then we have our bags and all of our drills. So I know that can't really be helped. If you enjoyed the contents of this video, please do all the things before leaving. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let others know as well. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.